received this product from STUDIOFINIX. There are 2 speakers, indoor, outdoor, waterproof. These are 6.5 inches, and the choice I picked, you have a choice between black and white, and I went with white because I'm gonna put these outside near my pool, and I have white patios, so I figured just to have it blend in properly, I will go with the white color so people don't know where the music's coming from. So let's see what's inside the box. Some foam, instructions, and here are the speakers. Okay, yeah, they're pretty good size here. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay, got another one here. I'm gonna put this box on the floor too. Yeah, this is nice, good quality. Has a bracket here that you can mount to your patio and then adjust it to whatever way you want to angle it. What else we got? All right, this is your power supply here. They provide speaker wire and another cord. Pardon me, I'm a little sick right now. I was gonna wait till I got better to make this video, but I figured I have downtime because I have a cold, so why not tough it out and just do the review. Okay, here's one bag. Okay. Oh, very nice. As you can see here, it's pretty easy mountable. I could just unscrew these, find a good spot on my patio and bolt it in, and then I can connect the speakers. So there's one, which I'm gonna face it that way. There's one. Same thing. It appears the power will go into this one. It's supposed to work without an amp. At least when they contacted me to do this review video, they asked if I had an amplifier or not, and I said no. So I'm hoping this is all set where all I gotta do is set this up and then connect my Bluetooth to it, and then we're ready to rock and roll. We'll find out. And when I say rock and roll, I mean like rock and roll to some like AC/DC or Metallica or something. All right, here we go. I was gonna do this outside, but it's rainy today, so I figured I'd do the unboxing inside, and then hopefully tomorrow won't be too bad. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, but we'll see. And I could just install them if it's not too rainy. So you got your power here. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can get this thing working right now. At least set it up. Okay, this will be here. The speakers, I assume, just plug into each other. Ooh,
Bluetooth mode.
I like that.
Connected.
Wow, speakers sound great. Easy to set up. I'm looking forward to hearing these things outside in my backyard and see how many neighbors I can piss off. Let's go mount these bad boys outside. Okay, after gauging the backyard and where I want the music to be, I assume the pool, when you're in the pool, you're having fun, you don't really listen to music. Maybe if you're in the spa, but the pool, kids are splashing, it's loud. I'm gonna put my speakers right over here on this patio, both of them together within 8 feet apart, because that's what the directions say, you know, within 8 feet for the best quality of the sound. You got the barbecue right here. Got more of the backyard here with seats and people mingling and stuff, so you could have some music going. I feel like that's the best place to put the speakers. Power source I have wrapped around. I have these string lights going across. I have power on the other side of this bedroom here. So what I'll do is I'll run one speaker on one side, one speaker here, then I'm gonna run it up the overhang and fasten it, professionally done, to the outlet. So let's get it started. So I'm mounting it here. If you're living somewhere where there's a lot of snow or extreme heat, like Arizona or Utah, you know, snow, heat, you probably want to pull them down during the winter seasons or hot seasons, I guess. But for me in Southern California, I can leave it up all year round. And being underneath this little overhang here, it won't be getting hit with water and rain and different conditions. The sun won't be directly hitting it. So I feel like this is a good spot to put it. Speakers aren't going nowhere, but just to play it safe with possibly shrinkage of the wood or something, you know, maybe the screw rattles out. I'm gonna make sure this doesn't fall on anybody's head. Okay, beautiful. And I'm gonna run the wires up now. I'm gonna put it over here. If you can see it, yeah, coming over. The hardest part is working on the ladder. Okay, actually I can see these pretty good. I'm gonna pull this, mount it. So you got your positive here, all red. Here's your black for your negative. Make sure it's snug. Bring it here. I'm gonna pull this. There you go. Maybe like that. We can always adjust it later, but for now, looks good to me. Got the first speaker up right above me. Gonna put the other one over there. It's kind of hard to do this switched. And then we're gonna run it around that way. Plug right here. Let's get this all the way up here for now. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay. crank it all up, probably put a zip tie on it. There you have it. STUDIOFINIX speakers, the 6.5 inch, easy to install. Didn't run into any problems at all. Now it's about time to blast this music and see what it's all about.
Connected.
Ooh, she talks to me. All right, so we're gonna put a song on. I gotta put a song on. It's probably gonna demonetize this video. Sounds good. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna put this down and dance. Sounds good. Really clean. Walking away. Bluetooth has not disconnected yet. Wow. I'm amazed how good it sounds. It sounds way better outside than inside. Yeah. Wow. Definitely impressed. Sounds great. Dogs are coming out. They're like, what's going on? Is there a party going on? Friday? Today's your day. Today's Friday. Let's pause it. Obviously, on camera, I'm sure it doesn't sound as good as it's hearing in person. So you're just gonna have to come over and listen to it in person. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm very happy with this product, and I'm stoked that they sent me this video to, this product to review. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. We could just run